So it is 8:03 a.m. and it is Wednesday the 12th of August 2026, and we are looking for either a break of the highs, which would be up here, or a break of the lows, which are down here. Once we get a break, we will either see a continuation or signs of a reversal, and we will enter, risking 1% on two accounts. I've now got my second account, so I'm going to risk 1% on that. So I'm going to take the same trades. I'll enter with 2 pips away, I'll enter with 0.5%, and then I'll enter with another 0.5% limit at 50%. And that's how I'll take my trades going forward. I'll take it on both accounts. One of the accounts will be targeting a 1 to 2, the other one will be targeting a 1 to 3. And see which one does better, like passes quicker. See the win rate and the overall stats of each. And I'll obviously show you lot. And then yeah, from there will be what I dictate to continue on with. Do I continue on trading with a 1 to 2 or continue on trading with 1 to 3? But yeah, that is the plan, and that is what I'm doing going forward. But for now, we're waiting for a break structure to the upside or to the downside. So once either if that does happen, you'll get an update. If it doesn't, you'll get an update. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But that is it for now. So as you can see, we've had a nice break to the upside. Now, what we'd be looking for is if it breaks above, we'd be looking for buys. If it creates a bullish candle and breaks to the downside, so for example, bullish candle and another bearish, then we'll just enter for sells. So yeah, we've got a break to the upside. So at least we know that there's a potential trade we can take today, because the first rule is to make sure for a break of structure to the upside or to the downside. So we've got that initial break structure to the downside. I mean initial break structure to the upside, which is good. Now I don't know why it keeps doing this as well. Keep gapping. I don't know why. Can you see that? It's not major, but keeps gapping. It's a bit annoying, but yeah, yeah. See what happens. Let me check. Let me GPSD. Is it gapping in there as well? Yeah, it's not as bad though. What about these? Yeah, that's disgusting. So yeah, if this candle closes above this bullish one, then to me that will be a break structure to the upside and we'll be getting into buys. But if it fails to hold above and break above and continues to the downside, then we'll be looking for sells. So yeah, that is the update so far. But yeah, so far so good. And we'll be taking the trades on both accounts. One for 1 to 3, the other one for 1 to 2. And we'll see how it goes. That is the update for now. Okay, so price is now broken to the upside. So we are going to be looking for buys from here. So 6.4 pip stop loss. What's that 1.076. And then set my limit at here. One point three five. 1 so 0.35076. So the limit has been set on that account. And now I'm gonna have to do it on the other account as well. So same stop loss. Oh, 0.76. How far is that from the 50%? Oh, not that bad. Okay, so I've entered on both accounts now. Let me type in the entries. So 1.39 spread to dummy dirty. On this account, targeting a 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is there. On this account, 1.3546. Stop loss there. Targeting a 1 to 3. That's there. And this is that. Then that is a 127. So free off from 50%, and then yeah. So that so yeah, that's the trades for today. 50% is there. Don't want it to break this structure. I'll manually close all the trades. But yeah, definitely need to get a copy trader, because doing that manually was, yeah, it was a bit of a struggle. So I've entered one lot on one account, and then the buy limit at also with one lot. So in total, I should be risking 1%, but it's risking, I think, slightly over. It's risking about 1.3%, which is, it's not that deep. You know, can fix that. It's not that deep. And then the other account I just entered with a 1.8 lot size, risking 113. So 1.1% risk. Um, and yeah, that is the one that will go for the 1 to 2. So yeah, we'll see how this plays out. But I'm in my trades. Um, and yeah, you saw the reasoning. Uh, Break structure. It's not even going to show us up. Break structure. That doesn't even look nice. Fuck it. That'll have to do. Well, yeah, break structure, as you can see, and we'll download it so we can add it to the FX replay. And yeah, we'll see how this trade does. So yeah, Um, I'm not sure which account I want to do what, to be fair. Uh, okay, I'll make the account I've been using, I'll make that account the account that I use a 1 to 2 with, and then the other accounts, I'll make that I'll make that the accounts that I use. I'll make that the accounts that I use for the 1 to 3. So yeah, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. See how it goes today. And yeah, hopefully all goes well. I need to actually move them so I can actually see what the thingy is. Okay, so 1 to 2 take profit would be 265. 265. 265. And then entry at 146 would be 280. And then my limit 127 would also 280. Okay, so that's all the trades closer to each other. So you can actually see, and then I'll download that as well because this is probably a better picture of them side by side. And we'll see how it goes. But yeah, these are the three trades for today. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and then the limit if it is hit, or the limit if it does get hit, 1 to 3. But yeah, we'll see how it does. So far, it's looking good. So as you can see, we've had this big bullish candle going straight to TP, uh, which is great. Trade is now so $225 on one account to 2.2%, and then the other account was 1.3% because obviously the limit never got entered. So that is a bit annoying that the limit didn't get entered, but we're going to close the limit because TP is hit. And as you can see, stop loss beneath the low and trade hit within what, 5, 10, 15 minutes. So could say 20. So that is great. I'm gonna download the image, and then if I go over to my analytics, I'll go over to my analytics. Oh no, is it trading accounts? Yeah, it is. And I do this, it should sync the balances of today. I don't know if it will be as quick because I literally just took the trades, but we'll see. Has it updated? Why is this one not updated? One of them's updated, the other one hasn't. Let me sync. Let me do that one again. Can you hurry up? Sinking, sinking, sinking. Bro, hurry the fuck up. What the hell? Hurry up. Let me refresh the page as well. That might help. No, it hasn't. Finally. Right. Now if I go to trades, as you can see, I buy $129 up on 216, return 1.9, return 1.9, R, and then return percentage 2.6, 2.16%, 1.29%. So yeah, good day. Trade rating A, and then I'll journal the rest of the trade in a minute. But as you can see, these are trades of today, and that is me done for today. Very, very quick and lovely day. And now that is it.